Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to check for install RAM size on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on it, and this is going to come up. Go ahead and click on settings. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to system right here. Click on system. Here you go. Scroll down right here until you get to about right here. Go ahead and click on about. Top right here, you have your install RAM size right here. Whatever size you see right here, it means that the size you are running and the size, whatever size you see right here, it simply means that this is the size of RAM installed on your Windows PC. It might be 8 gig RAM, it might be 32 gig RAM, it might be 16 gig RAM, or whatever. It's that simple. For more tutorial about tips and tricks on Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.